In the fast-paced world we live in, the desire to cultivate a green haven within the confines of our homes is gaining momentum. Growing plants indoors is not just a trendy hobby, it's a therapeutic endeavor that brings nature closer, even when outdoor space is limited. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a novice with a newfound green thumb, cultivating a thriving indoor garden is an achievable and rewarding pursuit. Selecting the right plants is crucial for indoor gardening success. Consider factors such as light requirements, space constraints, and your commitment level. Opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents, snake plants, or pothos for beginners. Advanced gardeners may explore the realm of tropical plants or even venture into cultivating herbs and vegetables. Light is the lifeblood of plants. Assess the natural light in your living space and choose plants accordingly. Low-light plants such as ZZ plants or ferns thrive in shaded corners, while sun-loving herbs like basil and mint flourish in well-lit windowsills. Supplemental artificial lights such as fluorescent or LED grow lights can be employed for areas with limited sunlight. Containers play a pivotal role in indoor gardening. Ensure that the chosen pots have drainage holes to prevent overwatering. Consider the size of the container, as it directly impacts the root system and overall plant health. Additionally, matching the aesthetic of the containers to your home decor can enhance the visual appeal of your indoor garden. The soil composition significantly influences plant growth. Use a well-draining potting mix tailored to the specific needs of your plants. Add perlite or vermiculite to enhance aeration and water drainage. Regularly inspect the soil for moisture levels, as overwatering can lead to root rot, a common woe for indoor gardeners. Maintaining a judicious watering routine is essential. Different plants have varying water requirements, so familiarize yourself with the specific needs of each species. Water thoroughly, allowing excess water to drain, and then let the soil dry out before the next watering. Invest in a moisture meter to accurately gauge soil moisture levels. Indoor plants, like their outdoor counterparts, have specific temperature preferences. Most common houseplants thrive in temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Monitor humidity levels, especially in heated or air-conditioned environments. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can create a more favorable microclimate. The journey of growing anything indoors is a dynamic and fulfilling endeavor.